Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on your Steam account using your Steam Deck, and this is easy. So we're just logged in. We want to go up to the upper right, go to our little profile picture, click this, then go to account details. So if you got a new email address or something you want to update, it's very easy. Go to account details, scroll on down, and then you can see my email right here, YourSixStudios. Just go to change my email address right here. Select this. And it says, how would you like to change your email? Email an account verification code to your email right now. Or you can go to I no longer have access to this email address. And just make sure you have your phone number or something typed in there. And it says enter your account password. So you gotta do that. And you can add your phone number in right here. Maybe you can just reset it that way as well. So just make sure you have this added in there. But remember your password for your account, update your email address, and you should be good to go. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.